Learn diverse methods for sharing location between iPhone and Android, bridging platform differences, utilizing available apps, and exploring unique features. Way 1. How to share location between iPhone and Android via Google Maps. Launch Google Maps. Tap the blue arrow. Select Location Share. Set time duration. Choose sharing mode messages, Gmail, etc. to share iPhone location with Android. Way 2. How to share location from iPhone to Android indefinitely via WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, open the chat, tap the attachment icon, choose location, select share live location, pick a duration 15 mins, 1 hour, 8 hours, click send. Way 3. How to share iPhone location with Android via Life 360. Install Life 360 on both of your phones. Create an account or sign into an existing account. Follow the instructions to activate location sharing, then customize settings, add the contact you wish to share the location with, and start. Way 4. How to share location from Android to iPhone via Family Orbit. Install Family Orbit on Android, sign up, create an account, log in via email. With provided passcode, select Child, grant permissions, view syncing progress, and monitor your kids' check-ins. Way 5. How to share location from iPhone to Android via Facebook Messenger. In Messenger, open chat, tap location, select location, choose share live location, blue bar, or share static points with red pin. Option for 1 hour live location also available. Bonus: how to share and change location on Android iPhone. What if you want to change your location? What to do in such a case? One reliable and notable app that can change location on Android and iPhone devices in just one click is Virtual Location Tool.